Back there was one semester where it's really like morning team meeting, then night I still have class.
I ended the day at around 11 p.m. and started the day at 3:30.
I don't know how I got here, but I got here.
What's one?
Most FAs are actually insurance salesmen.
FAs, we do more holistic planning.
If the person has the right ethics, he will do the right job.
Actually salesmen plus, so maybe there's just more to that.
Alright.
It sounds sketchy. Why is it sketchy?
The stigma is real. At the end of the day, you can sense whether they are have good intention.
If it's a win-win situation for both ends, then I think it's a fair deal after all.
Okay,
Why are so many fresh grads doing this? I really wanted to explore entrepreneurship.
perhaps there's multiple reasons. Maybe people are a bit jaded by corporate environment, so they just want something that gives them a bit of autonomy over what they do.
So some of them may be joining because they think this is a very lucrative career, which contradictory is actually a very tough career. My busiest day would be like last Friday. I wake up 2:30, I went for a run at 3:30, a 5 km run. Then I crossed the border for my meeting in JB, then I came back. I think I had one more appointment in the afternoon. Then at night I just went for like normal sports activity.
I take morning classes, because I want to maximize my day. So classes start 8:30 until 11:30. Then probably like an afternoon appointment. At night is like just chill to wind down either with friends, or if sometimes have appointment, then I will just go for appointment.
The difficult part is maintaining the discipline and the consistency. You have to remind yourself to do your work every day, because now no one's going to guide you, no one's going to control you, no one's going to say, hey, you need to do this, you need to do that. There's no one giving you tasks.
For sure, as you are a student and also an advisor, there will also be quite a few times where you feel exhausted, especially when nearing exam period. But then you still have to meet clients and you still have to follow up on things that they ask. So
You are your own boss, so you have to take charge of your own business.
It's actually a struggle every day to maintain that, because you're fighting every day with yourself to not not to slack and really get things done. So my friend overbought policies. He bought like 10, 11 policies. Then because of the restructuring to maybe 3 or 4 main things, they save about $6,000, which is a very, very big impact, $6,000 a year.
I feel very a bit heart pain because she's working so hard for money, right? But then her money is not working hard for her. So I was like, hey, so why not let's actually work out something together so that your money can also work for you.
The way he said the thank you and the way we shook hands after leaving, right? I think that feeling stuck with me for a long time, because it really felt like he was genuinely appreciated what I was doing for him.
I think he's that one person that I don't think I would hesitate to reach out to, because I know that he won't judge me, or he will just try his best to help me.
Oh yeah, I do ask her money questions, even now, how should I be investing, what decision should I be making, what policies I should be getting, that kind of stuff also. Yeah, I do ask.
I wanted something that was very dynamic, right? You could meet a lot of people, hear a lot of different stories. No two cases are the same. I think that was what really excited me.
Phillip, as branding, is a very strong platform.
Many of them know us as an investment firm, so that really brought down a lot of the barriers and obstacles.
When I first started out, of course I didn't have much clients, right? So they do have avenues such as your roadshows and really different types of events to help you connect with people. Especially my seniors, they are very open and they are very willing to share and help. They are just very warm and welcoming people, so you don't have to be afraid. You won't be able to ask for help here.
If I could restart and decide whether or not I wanted to be a student advisor, I think I'll definitely do it again.
Because it really gives me a safe space, I would say, to actually explore this career.
The past 2 years really changed me a lot as a person. I think, be it learning how to interact with strangers, build trust.
It gives me skill sets. Touch wood, I don't want to change career, but if I ever change career, I know I have a lot of very important and good skill sets that I can transition to anywhere I can go.
Hi, I'm Emerine. I'm a final year student studying accounting and finance.
Hi, I'm Zhe. I'm a student of psychology and business management.
Hi, I'm Chung Kai. I'm a year 3 studying a degree in finance.
And I'm a wealth manager at Phillip Wealth Advisory.
I'm a wealth manager with Phillip Wealth Advisory.
and I'm also a wealth manager at Phillip Wealth Advisory.